We saved $812 renting this caravan for only $9 a day, only because the company needed it relocated from Phoenix to Denver in just 7 days. So on our way up, we discovered actually how beautiful it was. But then the weather changed and it started to snow, and now it's really dangerous to drive. But we have to keep going so we don't pass our 7-day time limit. So here's the scenario. We have no cell phone signal. Zero data.
Zero data. We finish everything.
The roads may be icy.
But the lady at the visitor center said that if the road conditions are good, to take this road all along the Colorado River. It's twice as long as the one that we were supposed to do. And then it merges on the Highway 70, which is the one that goes to the junction to Colorado. This is so much better than the national park. I don't know why we spent $30. We could have done this like the whole afternoon.
Yeah.
It's so quiet here. That's where we pulled out yesterday to sleep. This is a campground. There's many more over there. This is called Hall Canyon.
So beautiful. We're gonna drive up to the canyon now, out of the canyon, into the main highway. It's a bit frosty in here because it's a valley. So we're gonna catch the sunrise up ahead and throw the joint up.
Crossing the most icy road where all the warnings were. There was a truck pulled over with the roadside assistance and everyone going so slow, very slow. So this is the most icy part. We're going through that. So we just crossed the Vail Pass and we passed the Vail summit, which was 10,600 feet of elevation. It's crazy. It's crazy, like 3,300 meters above sea level. And the temperature is like minus 12. And it's going to drop here tonight to minus 22, 23. That's insane. It's insane. Oh, slow down. We pulled over in a parking lot in Idaho Springs. And this caravan is great, but the insulation is terrible. The front of the RV gets so much cold air coming through from the windows, from the top.
All the windows are you could feel a draft coming in. So
it's terrible.
It's really bad.
So last night we create like a barrier. Yeah, so we got the cushions from the dining room at the bottom. And then we built this this is from the water bottle.
Yeah.
These are the GoPro.
The GoPro clip.
You know, the warm air comes here. There's a wall, so it has to circulate.
Oh.
Let's see how it goes.
See you in the morning.
We survived the night, so the barrier actually
It kept us warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did work.
Success. One success. And
Two,
one defeat.
the bad news is the pipes froze. And we didn't put coolant into the freshwater tank. So that made the sink freeze and the toilet freeze, so we couldn't use the toilet.
I mean, it doesn't flash water.
Yeah, like we can poop or pee, but it doesn't go down.
The sun is coming up.
The sun is coming up, it's warming up. I'm not too fussed about it. When Kiara's quiet, it means she's pretty scared.
I am scared. Slow down, baby. Slow. Because that is going super slow, baby. We're nice and clean and showered.
Yeah.
And warm.
It's been a little rough actually in that caravan.
Yeah, it's been rough because of the weather.
But yeah, we're finally here.
We dropped it off. Everything was good. Everything was fine. There's another video with all the tour of the van, of the RV, with all the details of what we paid and how much we spent.
Yeah.
This is more about what we're doing. And so we're off to the next chapter. Yeah, so we can't hold any longer in the States because my visa is going to expire soon. I'm only allowed 3 months.
Yeah.
So we have to get out of the States. The thing is, we wanted to go to Asia. It's Christmas.
And it's crazy expensive. We were looking at flights there, skyrocketed to 900 to 1,000 per person.
Every day they're just going up, 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 up.
Yeah, that's a bit ridiculous for what you can get, and we just choose to just wait for the opportunity. Something's gonna come up.
Yeah, we actually are applying for some house sitting all over Asia. And we apply for some really cool destinations right now.
Yeah. There's
fingers crossed.
There's like Singapore, there's Bangkok, there's Seoul, there's an island off of Korea, there's Tokyo.
So we apply for all of them.
All of those, yeah.
But there is one in particular that we really want to get, and hopefully, fingers crossed.
Yeah, no, I don't want to announce it yet.
No, I don't want to spoil it. I'm a bit romantic.
Yeah.
I'm a bit superstitious.
Yeah, it's not confirmed yet, so keep our fingers crossed.
But you will see soon where we're going. If you're watching till now, thank you so much for your patience and for being with us.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Alright, I got an email. You've been selected for a seat. Congratulations, Angie is choosing you as their sitter from the 18th of December to the 4th of January, which means my birthday on the 19th,
Christmas.
and
And New Year's.
in